Specsavers will always be putting our customers and our patients first. Our main aim, hearing and optics, is to give them the best possible experience, in our case, the best possible hearing journey. Callisto is one of our audiometers. It allows us to be able to test an individual's hearing. It allows us to find out exactly what their issues are, what their hearing prescription is, and then it allows us then to prescribe hearing aids. What Callisto tends to do, it takes us back to basics. It teaches us what we need to be doing with our patients. There are a lot of shortcuts with other products that we utilise, particularly when we're taking real ear measurements. If we're using auto fit, it's quite easy just to press the button and forget really what we're trying to achieve. What Callisto does, it takes us back to our initial learnings and really to do the job properly. Again, what we're trying to do when we're fitting hearing aids, we're trying to fit hearing aids as exactly as we possibly can, which is where the REMS ethos comes from, trying to find out exactly what the hearing aid is doing in an individual's ear. The auto fit is quick, it's easy, it's software driven, and you're reliant upon the software. Whereas using Callisto and doing REMS manually, you're not relying upon the software, you're relying upon the results. With other systems, potentially, can take a little bit longer. What I found when I'm doing the full REM suite using Callisto, it's very quick. I think all PC-driven audiometers are easy to use. You plug them into your computer, you press a few buttons and away you go. But I just think it's how it's delivered. Again, everything we've used historically is large, it's cumbersome, you've got wires all over the place, it can look unsightly. In a clinical environment, the last thing you want to do is to have your patient sat in a box with wires hanging all over the place, wondering what on earth it is. They need to be put at ease throughout the entire consultation. And again, from a logistical point of view, it's just small, it's so lightweight, it's so quick and easy to dismantle and put it back together again. The whole package is just a lot easier. From a size point of view, it's small, it's discreet, it's lightweight, and that's the important thing. If we are moving equipment from one clinic to another, we have to logistically take it from one clinic to another. Other systems can be quite heavy. They would need a bag or a something to carry them in. When I started using Callisto, the first thing I've done is I've lost a bag. It's an extra bag that I haven't got to carry around. It's an additional bag I haven't got to have in the back of the car. It just fits into my pilot's case as it is. It's on wheels. Just drag it around with me. I haven't got to think about myself carrying it about. More importantly, I haven't got to consider my other employed audiologists carrying equipment around either. It fits in their kit as it is. We run day centres also, so literally having equipment there and stored there isn't always feasible. You always have to carry your own equipment to those particular clinics. Domiciliary visits as well, yeah, we've got to be able to carry things around. And when you're doing a domiciliary visit on the 10th floor of a block of flats, the last thing you want to do is to have 3 or 4 bags. If you can just take 2 up with you, it's a lot easier. Also from an employer's point of view, knowing that my audiologists don't have to do that either, it just helps me sleep at night. Calibration, quick email, it was responded to straight away, and within the space of 20 minutes we'd book that calibration in, and that's key. Not just to me, but for all of my colleagues throughout Specsavers, the annual calibration of equipment. Historically, you send it away, you haven't got it, so you have to have equipment there to cover. Very quick, easy email. We've got an engineer coming around within a week who'll calibrate 2 units at once in the same day, and I haven't got to worry about it. The training was there. It was very easy to follow. All contact with intraacoustics is quick, it's easy. Telephone, email, you pretty much get an instant response. I've had nothing but assistance and help all the way. Yeah, I would recommend Callisto to any of my colleagues.